Hey everyone, and welcome back to another live stream. Sorry, I was just sleeping. How's it going? How's it going, guys? We are still back. I am excited. Today my door is open. Just trying new things. My door is open. You can see my door. Hello, Thirsty Push. How's it going, man? What's going on? So yeah, like what is this episode? Like, it is Let the Air Come In. Yeah, exactly. 34, episode 34. And man, I've been grinding so hard lately. I don't know what's going on anymore. The grind has consumed me. I just became one with the grind. It's been crazy like that. I was just over my caffeine limit today, which wasn't great. Probably I won't be able to sleep, but usually that doesn't really fuck up my sleep. So I'll sleep fine, but my heart rate is probably gonna be higher than usual, which doesn't explain me why I was sleeping. I'm just tired. I don't know. Weird times. We'll get through these times, okay? Just bear with me. I have prepared my talk yesterday. In case you're wondering what I'm talking about here, I'm gonna present this project in 2 weeks. Not 2 weeks. Yeah, 2 weeks, 10 days. I don't know. So yeah, I have prepared my talk. There are small stuff that I need to add and fix. Where are you heading this time? Man, I'm heading to the end of the world. Just like literally just end, like just you go like this way, New Zealand. You just like go like, you know, just yeah, whatever. I don't know how to describe it. So yeah, I need to add some stuff to the talk and just update it, but most of it is done. I just realized after I finished the talk, I need to talk more about Rust. This talk is more like this talk. It's like towards the end, it started to be about electronics a lot. So I need to just update the talk a little bit. One step further and onto the abyss, the end of the world. Yeah, dude, I'm actually a bit scared because, you know, when I go there, it's just on the edge of the world and the world is just flat, you know. I'm a bit afraid of just falling down from the edge, which is a bit scary. But I don't know. I guess it never happened to people before, so maybe it won't happen to me. But I'm a bit scared, like, you know. But what happens then? Like, you just end up on the other side, or just like fall into the space, or what happens? What about song mode? Yeah, we're doing that today. Louis Philip, don't worry about it. I have prepared some things, some ideas to be specific. I haven't prepared anything concrete for this implementation. I have some ideas. So we'll get there. You bounce back. I mean, what is it? I didn't want to sound rude. Oh, okay. So you don't know what it is. That's even better. Now I have a chance to explain. So I have this tool. So you plug your guitar in here, and then you just turn it on. You turn it on, and then you just press these buttons. Just these buttons, hopefully it works. And in one of the menus you have this fretboard thing, which shows you the notes that you play on the guitar, right? And song mode is basically some feature that I want to implement. You'll upload your tabs or notes into this device, and then you can just practice it by just looking at it and then at the same time playing it, and it will show you if you play it right, it will show you the next, or I don't know how it will work. Okay, I'm just gonna try to implement it today. So yeah, we'll get there. Let's actually start. The first thing you see is ChatGPT, but yeah. So I have changed some things today, just a little refactoring stuff, and I realized nowadays this songs to practice, but I confess this song mode would be nice. Yeah, so I was thinking is it possible to get like a tab format? Like, can I download tabs in a certain format from those sites? I was thinking of just using whatever format that is already available and just parsing it and then just loading it onto the device instead of just coming up with something custom. I don't know if I don't know if that exists. I'm gonna try to find it out today. But before that, I realized there's some things I want to change in the buttons on this thing, because it's not very convenient. First of all, you power this on. There are two buttons. One of them is mode and the other one is menu. So if you press both, it will change the root node for the fretboard tab, which is not being checked here. So maybe let me just check that. Like this. There you go. So if you press both and if you're on the fretboard tab, you just like toggle the root node. If you long press the mode button, it will change the input mode from microphone to jack. I forgot to tell you, by the way, Lewis, you can use like the microphone or like actual guitar input, both of them, it works. Today I finished the RISC V emulator coder and decoder IDE built in. Wow, bro, I need to see that. Can you drop me a link? Not if it's public. You cannot probably drop a link in the chat, but you can just tell me your GitHub handle and I can check it. That's so cool, man. You gotta just show that off. Let me just check. That's this one, right? Bro, what is it? Wow. Damn. That's very neat. I'm gonna just leave it here. I'm gonna check this later. Very cool. Looks very nice. Damn. Alright. Quite talented people in the chat today. So, mode, like I said, you long press it, but I want to offer another option, which is if it's like mode short press and not on the fretboard tab. So this is like, you know, you don't have to long press it every time. And for the fretboard thing, I want to be able to wait, what am I going to change actually? I guess that's it. Wait, I'm just playing with it, you don't see it, but I'm just like trying to remember what I was thinking today. Okay, I guess that's it. Let me just, yeah, I don't have to flash it actually. Short and not fretboard tab. Alright, let me just commit this. Yeah, I'll check that after live. Who else is in the chat today? Guys, please say hi if you're watching. Let's see who's watching, and if you're lurking, also say hi. I don't know, just don't lurk. Why are you lurking in the stream? Like, there are like literally 3 people watching. Like, who are you? You know what I'm saying? Okay, firmware, make button, make button presses more ergonomic, I guess. Hello, Lewis. So before song mode, I actually want to add this gamification thing. Or maybe I should do the song mode first. I'm thinking. Yeah, let me do the song mode first. So, Songster. Let's take a look at Songster. This is some tabs that I checked before. So can I download this from here? More, transpose, edit. Or let me ask ChatGPT. Is there a known, is there a standard format for guitar tab files? No universal standard tab. Plain text GP3. Are you serious? Let me actually check crates.io. Okay, Guitar Pro, Rust library and command line interface for guitar tab files. There's literally a crate for that. It's based on whatever usage. My awesome song GP5. So this is the one that ChatGPT mentioned, right? GP, yeah. Guitar Pro. That's looks promising. Although some of the things are not implemented. So you're gonna build and Rust app for that hardware pedal. Yeah, it's already running Rust right now. So I'm just like trying to implement more features right now. Dude, what is this? I can't even check the repo. I need to log in to see the repo. What the fuck? What is this? I just want to see the repo. It's so weird. So yeah, after this project I will, like after this presentation, I will turn this into a guitar pedal probably, because right now I can read input but there's no output. So if I add output to it, and yeah. So I play guitar and I have the packer guitar player, sometimes get new files from Songster. Cool. Cool. So this is quite promising. Work like an embedded program. Sorry, I didn't get the question. Work like an embedded, yeah. It's running Ratatouille as well. Guitar Pro GPX file format parser. So where do I find these? Oh, export. It upgrade to plus to export tabs in Guitar Pro or MIDI format and what? I cannot export this. You serious? Okay, I cannot export this then. Guitar Pro files. Free Guitar Pro tabs, file sharing. Okay, let me see one example. So I want to search for Doom. Oh, actually, no. Mick Gordon. Let's see. Let's see if we have any tabs for that. Was it Mick Gordon? Yeah. Why don't we have any Guitar Pro tabs? I mean, the app will consider the inexistence of an OS. Not sure what you're asking. Yeah, I mean, it's running on ESP32. How memory allocations will work. It's running on ESP32. I don't know about the specifics, to be honest. I need to download some Guitar profiles. Also, I need to charge my laptop. 1 second. So, this song. No, I don't want anything, man. Just let me fucking download this shit. No. Fuck you. Get out. Okay. Download Guitar Pro tabs. Guys, help me out here. Which website should I use? Yo, there's a site that downloads songs to you. Oh shit, okay. Songster downloader. Dude, thank you. So I just like give this to... It's probably illegal, right? This is probably illegal. You're temporarily down... What the... Fucking hell, am I... Oh man. Doesn't work. Which website are you using? There's a GitHub thing. It's probably Java or C#. Dude, I don't want to run C#. How am I gonna run C#? Yeah. I cannot download tabs. There's a extension, but I don't want to try it out. Last updated 4 months ago. Okay, I guess we're trying this out. Okay, whatever. Okay, how does this work? I'm gonna get backdoored so bad after this. Dude. Dude, it doesn't even fucking work. Alright guys, I'm getting backdoored Remove extension. Malware. Everything for the project. Dude, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Like, how am I gonna download files? You're so cooked. You're so cooked here. Songs to download. Okay, we found another project. TypeScript. Is this like the same website? What are you verifying? Okay, same website. God damn it. Yeah, we're so cooked. Do I need to just buy a whatever premium? How much is it? How much is it? Fucking oh, okay, it's Turkish liras actually. It's not that. But it's yeah. It's not worth it, man. Come on, download GP5 or whatever. Tabs. Why this site didn't work? We're downloading the Beatles. Buy it, broke boy. Alright, we're downloading this one. Download. Let me see the file. Let me see the file. Wait, maybe there's some other like basic. Let me download this one. Let me see what the file actually looks like. Yeah, it looks like this. So when I read it, what do I get? Let me see the API. This background so makes this challenge almost a run for your life. Yeah. So this API is absolutely horrible. Song default read, so just call read gp3 and that will give us where's the tabs? Key, tracks, what is clipboard? Okay, whatever, it's not. Writer, tab writer. Interesting. Tracks. Strings. Okay, this is a bit interesting. Fret count. Okay, I have no idea what to do here. Let me ask ChatGPT. So after I read the GP3 file. How can I get to the individual notes, tabs, etc. Tracks, measures, voices, beats, notes. God damn. Okay, that's a bit deep. Tracks. Why do we have multiple ones? I have no idea. Measures. And what was it? Voices. What? Okay. Voices and what? Beats. And notes. And this is like, remember, it's all vectors. That's so convoluted, man. What the fuck? Loop over tracks. Okay, I need a very simple guitar tab. Minecraft. We're downloading Minecraft tabs, bro. Minecraft. There you go. Sweden. Downloading this motherfucker, man. Because this is the only song that I know that's not gonna cause any complications. I hope. I don't know. Okay. So maybe I should just try to implement it. I'm gonna create a new file. What is this meme? What the fuck was that? Give me that meme again. Before plus unproductive, after plus like a what the fuck? I'm never buying plus after that meme. That was horrible. I'm never buying that. God damn. That was the worst thing I've seen today. Okay, GP3 I guess. Or maybe file rs. Okay, let me get this sorted out. Anyhow, we have anyhow, okay. I would buy after seeing that. Okay. If you buy it, just give me your account, please. Thank you. I hope this doesn't have any dependencies. If so, I'm gonna be so pissed. Build binary. Clap. It's using clap. Read. GP3 file. Wait, where am I gonna place the file? I don't have a file system. I should embed it into the binary. Anyways, for now, yeah, I can do something like songs maybe. Yeah, let me just move the Minecraft thing here. Where is it? Where did I download it? Minecraft Sweden GP. Oh, that's GP5. That won't work. Fuck. That's bad. I don't want GP5 actually, it should be GP3. GP5 to GP3 converter, is that a thing? Bro, why the guitar API world just sucks? There's a paywall, I cannot get the tab files and everything is GP5. Do we have GP5 implementation here? GP5. GP5. Yeah, I mean, literally said that it's not implemented, but... And also, what is this? Okay guys, give me a second. Everything is going horrible today, so let me just log into GitLab. Oh my god, I don't remember my password at all. Okay, it will just send a code to my email. Wow. Come on, just let me log in. Okay, verification successful. Can I get to the repo now, please? Are you fucking kidding me? It's 404. I don't know what to say. Maybe they fucked up the URL. Who is this guy? Slundi. Let me find him. There you go. You have the library on GitHub. I'm gonna give you a star. Coda and similar directions are not working. Okay, whatever. I'm gonna just trust this guy. I just hope that it actually works, but I don't know. Okay, include bytes from file. I use that instead. Did that really work? Firmware source example GP3. So this should read from songs, and then do we have the Minecraft here? There you go. GP5. Song default. And then read GP5, I think. But this won't work. This is a weird API, man. Okay, song. There you go. Why are you complaining? Okay, I can just give data directly to this, I guess. Okay, got it. I'm gonna write a test for this. And just run the test. Dude, what are you? Oh, just mutable. Okay, there you go. Now compiling. Let me write a test. Write test. I never written tests for embedded. Doesn't sound really good, but yeah. I'm so curious what will happen. Okay. Okay, the runner failed. This is because we're using this thing. Just comment it out. What? Is he gonna build again? It's weird. Why is it building core now? What the fuck? I think something's broken. Dude, what happened to Rust Rover? Kill all of them. Yeah. Yeah. The problem with Rust Rover is, you know, doesn't have good support for different targets. I mean, Neovim also doesn't have a good support, but I'm managing it. It's gonna take forever to run this test, man. Let me actually place it in maybe Maybe core? Yeah, I think core would be better. Why am I doing this in here? Let me just place it in core. Hey, what's up, Nemco? Let's rename this to song. Happy grinding, yeah. I've not been doing any error handling here. Now I can just run the test in core. Seems like it's passing. Let me run it with no capture. Okay, we getting some notes from the file. Interesting. Let me just ask it here. Maybe I should do it in the fretboard crate, I don't know. Okay, whatever. I'm getting this. How can I map this to this? For using in my fretboard Ratatouille widget. God damn it. Yeah, it's very long. Just edit the message. And so on. MIDI number, you want to map that into note enum. MIDI to note. Okay, now let's see the note. Let's see What the fuck? C255? That's very high pitch. What the hell? Wait. What is note? Note. String. Value. Velocity. Duration. So we here using value. I'm getting this can't be right, bro. Whatever, I'm just wipe coding, so I'm gonna just take this. What did you change exactly though? Anyways, doesn't matter. Same result. What is value actually? I'm still getting the same result. Some example values for value as follows. In the is the fret number, not pitch. Oh, really? Yeah, I need to use a track. Note, GP note, let's use this. So that's also another issue here. Track strings. No tuning on this. String number, MIDI value. Man, I hope you're right here. I just hope that you're right. I feel like it's just doing pretty much guesswork. But let's see. Okay. Interesting, we get some result. I wish I used Sweden. That was an easier one, I think. Am I using Sweden actually? What am I using right now? Okay, I'm using Sweden. How can I check this? So I got this, but I'm not sure if this is correct. It's the song. Sweet. Yeah, first. GP5 online. Is there an online editor? Okay, we have an online thing. Okay. So what? Upload the file. I need to click it. Okay, whatever. My eyes are hurting. Oh shit, what happened? Play it. So what am I supposed to see here? Oh, the tuning is weird actually. Alright, okay, so I need a very simple song to test this. It should be in standard tuning and no multiple notes at the same time. Super simple tabs. It could be something cliche as well, doesn't matter which song. Let's see. Rush E. What is that? Standard tuning. It's not bad actually. So what did this thing suggest now? Smoke on the water. I think I know this song, but let me listen to it. Wait, I don't hear it because of the music. Yeah, I know this. Yeah, yeah, okay, okay. Of course. Of course. Um, yeah, I know, I know. I just couldn't remember the name. So what else? Twinkle, twinkle, little. What is this, guys? I don't know what. Holy shit! What is this? It's like. It's the reason that I'm gonna get copyrighted. Super simple songs, kids songs. What the fuck? 44 million subscribe. What is this, bro? Guys, I'm quitting this channel and I'm just gonna become a super simple songs, kids songs channel. All right. Okay, whatever. We are we're using this export. I'm gonna pay this website later maybe, because you know. Let's see if we will find this here. Why do we have like 10 different versions? GP3. This is GP3. Do we have GP5? I was about to say GPT. It's all GP3 for some reason now. I don't know. Okay, let's just use this. Oh, GP3. Wait. Okay, I don't know. Where did I download it, bro? Oh. Okay, let's see if it's gonna run with GP5 for okay, it's failing. We're gonna just use GP3. Okay. We got something out of this. Bro, what is this? Why is it like insanely long? I got this for smoke on the water. G3, D3, A sharp 3. Wait. So I'm trying to build a sound tracking mode with this widget, and I'm confused about how to render this properly. Should it be rendered? Should the fretboard be rendered for each note? What is the measure thing, etc. Beats, okay, beat. Let's try it. So it will be something like this, I guess. And then we try to render the fretboard. So I did this. Fretboard tests are like this. Give me the test for the first beat. Don't use RS test. That's cool as hell. I don't do anything yet. Hopefully it'll work, then it's gonna be actually cool. Why is it complaining now? Stateful widgets. Okay, I mean, we can try running it. Okay, interesting. I think it's because it's highlighting the similar notes. Wait. With string, active string style default as well. I think I'm hitting the bug that this guy mentioned before. Nope. G3, D3, A sharp. Okay, just fixed my logic. That's okay. G3 and D3. Now getting I'm not sure that's actually correct, so let's check that. G3 and D3. What is this? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It seems okay. So this, like, if this is 5th fret, 535. Okay, guys, we're on to something here. Wait, let me just adjust this. This might be actually working right now. Let me do the second one as well. So if second one is on the third fret, then it works. Yeah, it is here, but wait, what? Did I clear the... No, I didn't clear the active notes. Wait. Okay, I think it works. Okay, so let me check with the ChatGPT. How does this look? That's fine, dude. I'm not asking about the code. No, I'm asking if the nodes are correct. G3, D3. Nah, bro, I'm asking axing if they map to the song, bruh. Okay, cool. Alright, guys, it works. So we can read songs from GP3 files now. And, well, I don't want to, like, do these mappings. So how do I actually do that? So in my widget I also show the similar notes on different strings. What does that called? I want to disable that. Is that like duplication? No, that's not duplication. That, what is it called? I remember here. Is it like transpose? Transpose, I think. Is that called transpose? Shifting all notes up or down a pitch. Okay. Unison notes. Okay, that's good to know. Okay, let me make it possible to disable that actually. I don't know how I'm actually rendering that, to be honest. Actually, I don't know where I'm doing that. The state active node is the like node, not a string fret pair. How to stop that? Fret position. What you do now, the pitch match, which is why you get innocent highlight thing. Position match, string and fret. I'm just thinking what to do here. Do that, but with minimal changes. Active positions. I don't want to... Wait, how do I... Do I have access to positions in here? But I don't have access to positions here. Okay, you know what? Let's create a new type called node position, which will have the node and position. Worst name ever, probably. Okay. Maybe nodes or position would be better. With an enum. Okay, I need to change that a little bit. string index and fret. And internally I think I'll use something like note or position. And in fretboard this will be a bit painful, I think. Requires a lot of refactoring. Maybe I don't really need to do that. But the thing is, these are all those different strings. Okay, maybe I don't need to do anything else, because there might be same notes on different strings, but E4 versus 5 not the same, and we have that info. Okay, I'm so confused now. Active notes. What is EQ for the note? What is EQ? It's just the same thing. I'm so confused now. Can you tell me the notes, exact note names in this test? That's G3. Wait, what? What the hell? That doesn't seem right. Hold on. So G3 and D3. G3, D3. F sharp 3. What? Why my fretboard shows this? But it's not the same note. Oh dude, I'm so confused now. Let me actually plug the guitar and just see it for myself. Just see it for myself. I'm gonna try it. So it's on fifth. Guys, I'm gonna figure this out. Give me a second. It's actually 11. What are we listening to right now, by the way? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that seems correct. Okay. I got confused a lot there, but it's actually fine. Oh man. Wait. This is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Shouldn't be like that actually. Guys, my brain is just fried at this point. I don't get it. Seems not correct to me. So what are these notes? A4, A4, okay. Okay, got it. So I need to have the position info. G3 and D3. Can you check if the fretboard visualizations are correct? Okay, it seems fine. So now what? We are able to read files. Can you change this module so that everything is done at compile time and the nodes are ready statically at runtime? What are you doing, man? Song data rs. No, just use lazy static or something. Actually create a separate function for because I will have multiple songs. Does that really work though? Okay, there you go. Dude, I'm so confused. What is going on? Okay, there you go. I can just copy this, I guess. Let's try it. I'm not sure if this should belong to belong to fretboard, but probably not. Let's keep it in core. Can I do everything at compile time and do basically nothing in round time for this? Yeah, give me build rs. No, this is bad. Can I maybe use Rust embed for this? But that's for files, right? Or maybe, I don't know. Let me keep it like this for now. Okay. So here's what I'm gonna do. Personally, of course, create a song struct, notes, name, what is, okay, there you go. And in here I'm gonna do something like song, there you go. Minecraft Sweden. Probably we should include the name of the artist, C418, if I'm not mistaken. But it doesn't say anything, it just says band Minecraft. So I guess anyways, alright, so Mr. Sweden, yeah. Alright, we have that now. We should go back to the firmware. So app. Can I have like list of songs? Okay, I cannot. Anyways, let's just do it with one song for now. What is file rs? Oh, that's not needed. I really don't want to use vector because it's gonna allocate, but I'm not sure if there's any other option here. Current song, wake, song, oh, just song. Is not exported? Nope. Clone is not found for, okay. Okay. Just making necessary updates. Current song. Then maybe just use a option here. None. And switch fretboard mode. If we go to scale, smoke on the water, man. Okay, hopefully that will work. Not sure why this is like recompiling the whole universe. But I guess we need to wait. So song has some notes, right? And when you hit all the... Wait, I'm thinking like, how should this work? I need to set the ghost notes. Did this thing build? Okay. Song, smoke on the water, not found. PewDiePie collab ban, stopping and let ChatGPT do it. PewDiePie, I dropped him an email. No response. Maybe when I go to Japan I can just try to find him in Tokyo or some shit, I don't know. Where does he live actually? I'm guessing not Tokyo. Oh man, we're gonna clone it. You know what, I'm gonna flash this now because I'm not sure things won't crash because of the locations. And this angle is so shitty. Am I still streaming? Okay. What about the guy who invented Minecraft? Forgot his name. Notch. I think he's like a billionaire at this point. Not sure if he wants to collab with other billionaires like me. Oh shit. The program size just went up to the roof, man. 600. You see this? This was 400 before. Now we're gonna wait more. This actually sucks. Email him to create Minecraft 2 in Rust. We can do that. This actually turned out to be more difficult than I was expecting. If it crashes because of the allocation, then it's gonna be even worse. At that point, I just need to use a build RS or something. Okay, let's see if it crashes. Yeah, of course it crashes. Where is it? Memory allocation of 1000 whatever bytes failed. Okay, cool. Very nice. God damn it. Put this in RS. Similar way. Export the songs from songs RS. Oh no, this is using lazy stuff. I don't want to use lazy stuff. No, I don't want to use lazy stuff. It should be no alloc. Come on, bro. Where's my chat? What is this? It says ChatGPT 5 fast, but it's slow as fuck. Look at this, I'm waiting. Try again. Come on, dude. Okay, cool, it's all static now. Let's try it. YOLO. Wait, what? Are these like supposed to be dev dependencies? Build dependencies, right? What are we waiting for right now? So it's exporting that from songs RS. I'll try to import them and have a test here. Alright, if this works, it should not crash. Okay, it works in embedded 2, I hope. So still running. I just realized I'm not exporting my ESP environment and it works. I don't know how it worked just now. I'm expecting to see an error. Can probably have a note index or something like that. Current song note index or something. Come on, bro, what are you building? Just running CMake. Current song note index. Song, let's just do it like song note index. And in tick, I'm gonna do something like Something like that. Oops. Or is it like exported from the root, man? Człowiek. Oh, look at the builder's output. This is, yeah, that's just the notes. That's crazy, man. Anyways, in the UI, in song. There you go. I'll try to run this now. So if everything goes right, I should be able to see the notes. And when I clear all the notes, I should see the next ones. And when I do that, I should see the next ones, and then I should be able to play the whole song. So yeah. I mean, I was planning to just learn a proper song until the conference and just play that on stage, but at this point the POC would be enough, I think, because I'm running out of time, and I don't think, maybe I will, I don't know, you'll never know. But let's see. I know why it's sticky forever. How does this actually read the file? FS read, okay. It's a pretty bad mix. One sec. Okay, UI. Dude, I just imported it. What do you want? Okay, flashing. Oh, maybe the reason why I got like 600 thing is because I was using the debug mode, but I don't know. Well, let me see if it crashes now. No. And seems like it's working, guys. Let me just flash this again properly. Alright, let me try it. Alright, time to give this song mode a try, guys. I'm gonna share my findings in a second. So, smoke on the water. I cannot hit the note. Why is this happening? Okay, it works. Okay, it kind of works, but the detection is a bit wonky. So I need to change the song. So it's like two notes at the same time. Okay, everything works, but I gotta change that song to something simpler. It shouldn't use the it should be playable within first 3 strings: E4, E3, G3. What are you doing? Just wanted a song. Maybe I should use it. Maybe I should try this one, I don't know. It's also a bit complex. It's quite complex. Basically need something like this. Wait, I'm curious about something. BaM. This site looks like it's paid. What is this? Okay, maybe this side I'll find what I want. Nope. Minecraft. Nope. Guys, 1 second. So Is there like a online Guitar Pro online editor? This is their official website. How much is it, bro? No. This is the viewer. I think I'm just gonna commit this. This is pretty good progress, except that maybe I shouldn't commit these files because these are like copyrighted and shit like that, but do I really care? Alright, let me just commit things. At least it's not crashing, so builder's thing worked somehow. I need to extract this thing to somewhere though. So in my talk towards the end, I think I will mention these things that I've done, like, you know, reading guitar profiles and shit like that. I think that's interesting. That's gonna be interesting. Lazy static. When did I add lazy static? Anyways. Song note index. This builders is a bit ugly. Just unwrapping left and right, bro. Let me just avoid that at least. Support reading. Guitar profiles for song mode. All right. So one other thing that I wanted to do today is that I want to, Vishal aliases will always be questionable to me. GPS, right? Dude, what do you mean? Commit GPS status. I know they are a bit weird. I have this one. What do you think of this one first? Or like this one, or this, just R, or there's S, C. I think my best shell alias is Rust C++. This is so good, man. Rust C++ just Rust up update. This is great. I love that one. I don't know what else I have right now. Yeah, Rust C++, man, you know, Rust C++, you know, like incrementing Rust C. It's so good, man. My brain just like outdid itself with that one. Alright, so live mode. Yeah, scale. Random mode. So what I want is, in the random mode, I will show points. So it's gonna be actually quite straightforward. Random mode points. Use size. Zero, right? And when do we increment that? We increment that when we remove a ghost node. We simply random mode points +1, and let's draw it in the UI. Scale. This is getting super ugly, by the way. Like, what is this? But I guess whatever. It's gonna be some like random and something like this. Actually, we can do it like that. Just realized we're just rendering on the same place for each call. Whatever. So points. Alright, and now the thing is, when do we reset it, right? Man, this module is getting huge. I should refactor it at some point without breaking things, hopefully. So I'll give myself 2 seconds. Const max random interval. 2 seconds, maybe 3 seconds. Let's do 3 seconds. And in tick. You're gonna do something like if so fretboard mode random. If it's not empty, we're gonna do something like oh, we need the state too. If it's like, if it took more than max random interval, I don't know, something like this. So when we exceed the time, it's basically going to reset the ghost node. And last random. Hello Curry, welcome. This code is getting super ugly, by the way. I don't like where this is going. I should refactor it at some point. If it's empty, it will just generate a new node. And if it's not empty and if we exceed the random interval limit, it will decrement the points and give us a new node. Also reset the last random. Okay, that seems fine. I feel like, you know, I've been always like making fun of embedded developers and game developers because their code usually suck. I just became the combination of them. So my code sucks double the amount of whatever their code suckiness is. Like I am, yeah, I suck. I don't know, man. Like embedded and game development is okay. Enough excuses. Just make this code look good in the future, please. Thank you. So, no, but you're doing good. Hopefully. So one last thing. I need to draw a gauge, I think. Where's my gauge? Gauge. I think line gauge is what I want. Who's sending me hella emojis? Ratio. Okay, which line am I using? I don't think I will need a label or anything like that. Just give me a line gauge, bro. Self random points and max random. Wait, no. Self. Dude, what was the thing? I totally forgot now. Last random and max random interval. Last random elapsed. Max random interval. That ratio. Second line from the top. There you go. Actually, now that I think of this, I think I'll do this like on the third line, and this is like the second line. Or maybe, yeah, never mind. Alright, let's just build it, guys. What? This is not public. Let me just make this pub crate just to make it more professional. Nobody cares, but I'm just gonna make it pub crate. Line gauge is not found. There you go. Random points not found. Random mode points. Okay, there you go. This will build fine now. Let's just... oh shit, I made a mistake. I connected it to my laptop while it's running on battery. That's a mistake. I don't wanna blow up my USB port or do something else, I don't know. What happened to my camera? So now what I should be seeing is a line gauge, like a progress bar, just what do you call it, like, I don't know what I'm gonna see. We're gonna see, whatever. It just shows like 0%. Oh, it doesn't clear. Okay, fuck. Wait a minute. I think 3 seconds is just too less for this game. Like 5 is good. Also, I need to clear the damn thing. Yeah, there you go. And 0% is not okay. This is seconds. Okay, now it should be good. We should be seeing a progress bar slowly decreasing, decrementing. I don't know. I don't know how to say it. Slowly losing, slowly. Decreasing. No. I need water. Guys, I'm drinking from 5 liters. 5-liter bottle, don't judge. It is barely enough. So, let's see. It's so funny. It's reverse. So it goes from 0 to 100 instead of 100 to 0. And when it gets to 100, it just crashes. Gets to 100 and just crashes. Wow. Great. What did I do? I think the ratio... One minus ratio. What does it crash though? Ratio should be 0 and 1 inclusively. Okay. Does this work now? Field style. Unfield style. Let's do this. Let's see if it's gonna work. Let me just ask ChatGPT actually. How can I make this between 1 and 0? Is there a clamp function like that? Yeah, I want to invert it to... Okay, let's see now. This is kind of fun. I like this little gamification thing. Okay, let's see. It's kind of alright. I'll try to show it to you. I don't know if the points are actually working though. Face cam, video capture. Okay. I know there's a lag right now, but wait. I'll just use my brain. I'm just gonna do it like this. Okay. Since there's a lag, it's a bit difficult to show, but Maybe just focus on the, oh shit. Maybe, okay, I have an idea. I'll just like record it and then show it to you. Okay. So you see the progress bar on the top just stopped. Just like if it goes to 0, it resets the random node. Yeah, something like that. I just realized maybe I'll remove the brackets on the text. So if you go to UI, just remove these. Okay, let me actually try to play the thing. Maybe I'll try to play it now. Okay, I lost points. I'm losing points. Okay, 2 points. 3. Man, this is hard. This is a bit hard. Okay, let me just go to this fret. Maybe this will be easier. Okay guys, it works. So there's a timeout. Okay. For the song mode, I don't add the points yet. Okay, I'm just gonna close all of those things. Gonna go here. Just save this. save this for later, one sec. Need firmware, show points for random mode. Okay. Improve gamification, show points, it's done. Song mode, it's almost done. Just need to find a nice demo song. One sec. So for the README, I'm thinking, yeah, I need to add some explanation, also some demos maybe. These stuff are pretty complete though. Maybe in hardware docs I can add a small section. How does this work? In order to the signal from the mono audio jack is amplified by this op amp, and which is by 9 volts. the same manual power is also reduced to using and rest of the components. Alright, any other things to note? There is also a gain adjustment potentiometer for the there are arbitrary section. Where's this song? Where's the song? I hate this mix actually. I don't know why I'm playing it. Let's play the Rat Jazz. SV room 32D. What else do I have on this actually? I think that's all. and LED. Okay, the power status. It's connected to the TFT. Connected to the TFT display where the UI is. I think that's all. That's the whole. That's everything. That's the meaning of life. Add schematic summary. All right, let's see. They should clarify things. All right, guys. Guys, I think I'm done. Guys, I'm done. Thanks for watching. I don't know why I'm saying that. It's not a video. But you know, thanks for sticking around. I think I'm gonna continue this later. I need to find a good song to be able to practice on this, and it's mostly done. I just need, I guess what I need to do now is that just improve the UI a bit, get the song mode done, record a video, nice demo video, add it to readme, just write up whatever info on readme, add the same info to my talk, publish the crates, fix the soldering on this kit, on this thing, fix the soldering, and I guess that's it. I don't know, probably not, but whatever. Good progress today either way. It was fun and did a lot of things. So yeah, guys, I'll see you in the next one, right? Take care.